Hi guys. Hi guys, I'm Sean. This is Alyssa.
This is
right
Gus,
here. And this is Internet Rabbit Hole Daily. As you folks know, we've been checking out the farmer situation whenever we can. And one of the channels that we have loved a whole lot is this Scoop Whoop Unscripted, because they have these awesome sort of man on the ground sort of things. We get to hear directly from those farmers.
It's like Cool Whip. Scoop Hoop.
Scoop Hoop. All right. So let's just jump into it. A few of you guys were asking us to check this out, and we'd be thrilled to.
The military there.
राशन लेके आए
Yeah.
यहाँ बैठेंगे खाएंगे हमारी पिकनिक है हमने यहाँ पर ऐसा सिस्टम बना दिया है 4 दिन
Yeah, I told you, like, they kind of swap in and out.
दूसरे साथ लोग रहेंगे 4 दिन दूसरे
Yeah,
साथ
they got a good system going.
गांव से बारी-बारी यहाँ आएंगे ये मोर्चा खाली करेंगे
So just to confirm, this video is called How Punjab's Villages Are Helping Farmers Continue Their Agitation. So I think we're going to be digging into sort of this system and how they are sort of helping to move between the village and the protest site and to all those logistics.
My name is Anmol Sidhu and I'm a filmmaker, but I'm a farmer as well.
Wow.
My family tills the land that we own. We majorly rely on our earning from our land. Right now, some of my close friends and family members aren't here in the village. They are sitting at Delhi borders, and you all know what is happening at Delhi border. I'll take you around my village to show you how things are being managed here in the village.
I'd be very curious to know about this.
At the border.
Yeah. This is the side of it that we haven't seen yet.
And I mean, I'm even thinking like just the mere fact that they've got their tractor in another city, that's got to put them at a big disadvantage for at home. Well, like, how do they do their work?
Those things don't go fast at all. Like when you get stuck behind one on a road, like on a farm road or something,
sure look cool,
it's just
though.
like tucking away at a really slow snail pace. So it must take so long to drive it. It takes like at least twice the amount of time, 3 times.
Well, when you've got a caravan that's like, you know, super, super long, I don't think it matters too much.
Oh, does it tow it? Do they put it on a big, does it just tow it?
Well, I'm just saying you're moving with a lot of people all at once and including people who are maybe walking or, you know, getting there in another way. So that's no problem.
Our land, to protect our farmers and to protect the people of Punjab. हमारे गांव में 1 हफ्ते के बाद ट्रॉली आती है दिल्ली से और हम लोग यहाँ राशन को भरकर वापस भेजते हैं। आज हम लोग राशन के साथ साथ लकड़ी भी भेज रहे हैं क्योंकि वहाँ पर लकड़ी चाहिए होती है पानी गर्म करने के लिए, खाना बनाने के लिए। दिल्ली वाले जी राशन इकट्ठा करते हैं, आटा लकड़ा जो भी दे सकते हैं बात तो बात।
Is the cow sitting there?
I think so. Wow, everyone's just chipping in, whatever they can provide.
ਦਾ ਨਾਰਾ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਮਜ਼ਦੂਰ ਏਕਤਾ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਾਬਾਦ। ਤੇ ਇਸ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਦੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਕਿ ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ ਮਜ਼ਦੂਰ ਆ, ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਆ, ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਸੀਰੀ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਕੋਈ ਛੋਟਾ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ 2 ਕਿੱਲੇ ਵਾਲਾ ਜਾਂ 15 ਕਿੱਲੇ ਵਾਲਾ, ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਸਾਰੇ ਘਰ ਛੋਟਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਅਮੀਰ ਗਰੀਬ ਸਾਰੇ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਇਸ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਆਏ ਆ। ਅਗਰ ਕੋਈ ਘਰ ਪਾਥੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਐਂ ਕਹਿ ਲਓ ਵੀ ਥੋੜੀਆਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਬਜ਼ੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਸਕਦਾ ਸੀ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਲੋਕ ਉੱਥੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸਬਜ਼ੀਆਂ ਭੇਜੀਆਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਿਹਦਾ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਧਰਨੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਸ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ।
And I think the thing also to remember too is they're not just feeding the people from their village. It's not like they're feeding everyone who's there, you know, anyone who needs it.
Spray them with water.
ਇਹ ਛੋਟੀਆਂ ਸੇਵਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ। Well, the protest has been in news for several months now. One thing that didn't go down well with anyone was the langar of pizza.
I remember that.
ਸਾਰੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਪੀਜ਼ੇ ਦੇ ਲੰਗਰ।
Pizzas. Wait, what?
I remember this.
What was this?
Yeah.
Pizza
say it didn't go well?
Part of the protest. Here is my neighbor.
What?
I'm wondering if maybe people I don't know, it's like, well, you have pizza, then I don't know, why are people upset? We love pizza. I do anyway.
Pizza. I've been thinking about pizza all night.
There you go.
Sending khoa te gajrela for farmers.
Those big, huge things again, yeah.
And the big spoon.
It's like with spices, we sort of put a little in with a shaker, not by the handful.
That must be so soothing. You know, when you were a kid and you got to like play with like flour.
Yeah,
and, like,
yeah,
and
totally.
Stuff,
ਪਿੰਡਾਂ ਚੋਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਹਿਯੋਗ ਹੈ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਜੈਤੋ ਸਮੂਹ ਪੰਚਾਇਤ ਕੰਨੀਓ ਗਾਜਰ ਪਾ.
Okay, so maybe
is that like powdered milk, the condensed milk?
Yeah, and so it's not really. I thought it was maybe a spice, but it looks like they're actually rolling these maybe into balls that
I
are
thought
maybe
it was
then
like
consumed.
brown sugar or something.
ਕੁਆਂਟਲ ਦੁੱਧ ਤੋਂ ਚੱਲਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਤੇ ਅੱਜ 4
love
ਦਿਨ
the
ਹੋ ਗਿਆ
texture
ਤੇ
of brown
ਹਜੇ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ
sugar.
ਕਿੰਨਾ ਚਿਰ ਚੱਲਣਾ ਹੈ. 10 ਕੁਆਂਟਲ ਖੋਆ ਤਿਆਰ ਹੋ ਸਕਿਆ. ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ
Also, they're preparing condensed milk to send off, like evaporating it themselves, I guess, or something. I don't know exactly.
Yeah.
ਮੈਂ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਹੋਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਦੁੱਧ ਪੈਸੇ ਖੰਡ ਦੇ ਗੱਟੇ ਗਾਜਰਾਂ
Everyone's just coming together and sharing, and it's so communal, right?
ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੋਦੀ ਨੇ ਕਾਲੇ 3 ਕਾਨੂੰਨ ਬਣਾਏ ਆ ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮੌਤ ਦਾ ਵਾਰੰਟ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੱਦ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ ਮੁੜਨਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਚਿਰ ਮਰਨੀ ਹੋਵੇ.
ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸਾਗ ਤਿਆਰ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਜਾਣਗੇ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਨੂੰ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸਾਗ ਬਣ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ.
Cool little machine there.
Wow.
ਨਗਰ ਨਿਵਾਸੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀਰ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਅੰਦੋਲਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੰਮ ਧੰਦੇ ਕਰ ਲੈਣ. ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲਾ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ ਰੇ ਸਪਰੇ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੇ.
It's cool because their communities from little villages and stuff. So they're almost like not separated, but like they're their own almost like little community.
And now all these communities are coming
right?
together for a common cause, and they're all sort of helping out as best they can. You got to make sure that the work's still being done at home, but you also got to make sure that your men and women on the front lines are getting the food that they need to keep this protest going. Along with other resources, of course.
Well, it's easier to like wrangle people in a village than like a big, huge city or something to like, I don't know. It reminds me of like the village that one of my grandpa's from in Greece. And it's like, you can hold, like, it's like, there's not as many people. You can hold like a big event or be like, hey guys, we're going to do this and like band together. And you know, it's pretty cool.
So this is interesting here. We've got 10 to 15 men who've decided to work on the farms of older men whose sons aren't there. So everyone is really pulling together, right? Stepping in to take care of stuff. See? Spraying fertilizers, etc.
ਮੀਡੀਅਮ ਉਮਰ ਦੇ ਆ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਖੇਤਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਰੇ ਛੱਟਣਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਣਕ 'ਚ ਤੇ ਸਪਰੇ ਤੇ ਪਾਣੀ ਪੂਣੀ ਇੱਕ ਦੋ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਲਾ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੰਮ ਚਲਾਇਆ ਇਹਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਲਿਮਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ 10 ਦਿਨ ਕਰਨਾ ਜਾਂ 5 ਦਿਨ ਕਰਨਾ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਚਿਰ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼ ਚੱਲੂ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੇ ਦਿਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਵਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ ਲੰਮਾ ਚੱਲੇ ਕੋਈ ਚੱਕਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ.
Kind of like the protest itself. We'll just keep doing it as long as it takes.
ਮੈਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਵਾਂਗੇ.
ਇਸ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਨੇ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਹੁਕਮ ਸੁਣਾਇਆ ਜਦੋਂ ਦੀ ਪਾਵਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਆ ਧਾਰਾ ਹਟਾਤੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਨੋਟ ਬੰਦ ਕਰਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਆ ਬਿੱਲ ਲੈ ਆਏ ਤੇ ਆ ਬਿੱਲ ਵੀ ਉਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਸੀ ਇੱਕ ਹੁਕਮ ਦੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਆਪਦੀ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਨਾਲ. ਪਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਸੀ ਵੀ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਉਹ ਸੂਬਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ਾਂ ਦੇ ਅਧੀਨ ਵੀ 100 ਸਾਲ ਬਾਅਦ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ. ਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਰਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਸਾਡੇ ਗੁਰੂਆਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਇਹੀ ਸਿਖਾਇਆ ਕਿ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਮਰਨ ਕਬੂਲ ਜੀਵਨ ਕੀ ਛੱਡ ਆਸ. ਇਸ ਕੌਮ ਨੂੰ ਮਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਕਦੇ ਡਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਹੀ ਡਰ ਸਿਖਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ. ਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਰਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਇਸ ਕੌਮ ਨੂੰ ਦਬਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਦਬਾਇਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵਰਾਇਆ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਜਾਂ ਮਨਾਇਆ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ.
Because that fear makes you sort of recoil and you know you're more easily controlled and stuff like that. You don't have that's like, in my opinion, that's sort of like what the government a lot of times sort of kind of instigates, this like fear, this fear of like death and this fear of like, oh no, and then it has you sort of like scrambling and just sort of like following and feeling powerless. I think these people are very powerful because
they're looking up to their gurus who have created this community of wonderful people with sort of a warrior's heart, you know? And it's very evident that that very much it's a top-down sort of thing with the guru and all of these people, you know, looking up to that as a way to live life. And it's
ਪਰ ਦਬਾਇਆ ਕਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ.
Wow. What an operation, eh? It makes you wonder, it's like how much more longer is this going to go on for, you know?
Well, I think in Sikhism, because they believe in like a
Thanks again, Scoop Boop.
Thank you, Scoop Whoop. Because yeah, we need to get a little bit more familiar with it. But from my understanding, I think they also believe, you know, like the body dies, but the soul is eternal, you know?
Okay.
So the whole sort of like death isn't really real. Like your physical death, yes, but like you don't die.
Yeah.
Like and that's what I believe. So I think that's sort of also sort of instilling them with this, like, no,
fearlessness.
We're gonna fight for our rights and stuff like that. And we're not gonna,
we're not bending the knee, and they're not going anywhere. If you guys want to keep on top of this sort of stuff with us, then we're going to ask you to click that subscribe button. Click the little bell icon. Choose all from the drop-down menu so you can get updated every time we upload a new video.
If you enjoy this video, please let us know by clicking the thumbs up button and leave all those beautiful thoughts and recommendations in the comments down below.
That's right. We love hearing from you guys. This is Internet Rabbit Hole Daily. IRH signing off.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye, guys.